Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a bordered candy stripe friendship bracelet. Without further ado, we're going to get right into the video. These are the colors that I'm going to use. So the black is going to be my border color, and then I have my 6 colors for my beautiful rainbow. And if you need string, I have actually a rainbow pack. If you put YouTube in the personalization box, and then you can say either black or white, and I will send you black or white as extra, and then you'll have all the stuff to make this. You need 1 of each of the rainbow strings, and I cut those at 35 inches, and then 2 of the black strings or border strings, and I cut those at 38 inches. So my tactic, as long as the black is on the outsides, then I just tape it down as it is first, but then I'm just going to fix it up and throw another piece of tape on there. If you don't put the tape in contact with like every single string, they're more likely to slip through the tape and then mess everything up and make you angry. I'm going to start with the border strings. Since I want the border strings to stay on the outside, I'm going to do forward, backward, and backward, forward knots on them because they need to stay on the outside. For this side of the black string, I'm going to do a forward, half of a forward onto the red, and then I'm going to do a backward. So the 4 goes the other way, poke it through, and then I just try to be gentle with the knots at the beginning here in case my strings decide to slip, and then see how it wants to go right back where it was. That's what we want. If yours is going over here, that means you did something wrong, but that's okay because it's easy to fix at this point. All right, from here, now I want the red string. I just want to do, this is my forward knot, here over the orange, and then it's a full forward knot here. All right, it might look a little bit goofy at first just because candy stripes want to go on a diagonal and our tape is flat, but it will look better. Same thing here, 4 forward knot and 4 forward knot. Another forward onto the green and forward. And on the blue again, do a 4 forward knot, finish the forward knot, and last I do my forward onto the purple. Forward, forward. All right, beautiful. Now we're to this other side of string. So since I want this black string to end up in the same spot out here, I'm going to do a backward forward knot. All right, so this is the backward 4. Bring it through, tighten it up, and then to counteract that, I want to do forward, bring it through, and tighten it up. And this is where you might see it looking a little weird, and that's okay. I'll walk you through another row. So, hello, that means I have to talk. So here, remember it's a forward, make my forwards 4. Very good. And then, now it wants to go over here. I need it back where it was, so I want it a back, a backward. And now it goes over here, and it's happy and chilling. And then my orange does forward knots all the way over. 4. Remember, it takes 2 knots, so this is technically half a forward knot, half a forward knot, to make 1 forward knot. We should really have different terms for it. I don't know what. Comment if you have an idea that's not and then not. we're here looking at this backward, and then forward knot. So if you can see in mine or in your own as you're doing it, it's wanting to slope down. So that'll happen. That's totally normal. I'll show you how I fix it up. This is our first row done. And now as you can see, if you didn't understand what I was saying before about the angle, hopefully now you do, but you can do the exact same thing. At the end of the bracelet, it's even easier. So I am going to show you what I do to make it even. Okay, maybe you would think of this automatically, but I didn't, so I thought I'd tell you anyway. So I want this edge to come all the way up here and line up. So I basically just need to be doing diagonals, but not going all the way down so that it flattens out. So that's what we're going to do. So here, I'm going to do my forward, backward. It's a little tricky because the strings are a little bit short. And then I'll do my forward with the purple up until I think I do 2, 3. Then I want to do backward or forward, backward again. And then for the blue, usually I might do 1 and see how it looks. Sometimes it just kind of depends on my knot tension and how diagonal we're going. Honestly, that looks pretty good to me. So then I finish it off with 1 more knot with my black string, forward and backward. How I finish it, sometimes if I don't remember to make sure the black is long enough, then I use other colors, but in this case, I did make the black a little bit longer, the border color, and I think it looks better when the square knot is the border color. So then I do my square knot, and my square knot. I have a whole tutorial on a square knot bracelet, so if you're not sure how to do a square knot, that can help you out. And I usually just do 1 of those. And then I'll braid the end here once I'm all done with the bracelet. Well done! I hope you had a lot of fun. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments below. I will do my very best to help you out. And if you like the video, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for weekly tutorial videos just like this. All right, have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.